Welcome to Newton's Laws of Motion Explained Simply. Today we're going to dive into the fundamental laws that govern how everything moves in our universe. Have you ever wondered why a soccer ball moves when you kick it? Or how giant rockets launch into space? The answer lies in the work of one man. The answer comes from one of the greatest scientists in history, Sir Isaac Newton. We are here to understand his laws of motion in the simplest way possible. These laws explain how everything moves, from bicycles and cars to airplanes and rockets, and even the simple act of walking. Let's start with Newton's first law, often called the law of inertia. This law states, an object will stay at rest, or keep moving in a straight line, unless a force changes it. Force is the key word here. Imagine a soccer ball at rest. It only moves when a force, like a kick, acts on it. Similarly, when a car brakes, your body moves forward because it wants to continue moving. This resistance to change is inertia. The heavier an object is, the greater its inertia. That's why stopping a bicycle is easy, but stopping a massive truck requires much more force. Newton's first law is truly everywhere. Now for Newton's second law. This law gives us the mathematical relationship between force, mass, and acceleration. The formula is F equals m times a, force equals mass, times acceleration. This explains how these three elements work together to determine motion. Imagine pushing two shopping carts, one empty, one full. Push them with the same force. The empty cart moves faster because it has less mass. The full cart needs more force to accelerate. Greater force creates greater acceleration. Think of baseball. A hard hit sends the ball flying far. This law is also how rockets work. Huge engines create enormous force to accelerate the rocket into space. Finally, we arrive at Newton's third law, one of the most famous principles in all of science, action and reaction. The law states, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Every force comes in a pair. When a swimmer pushes water backward, the water pushes the swimmer forward. If you jump forward off a boat, the boat moves backward. Action, then reaction. This is crucial for rockets. Engines blast hot gases downward. The equal and opposite reaction pushes the rocket upward into space. Even a simple balloon works this way. Newton's laws of motion are the foundation of classical physics and explain how objects move everywhere in our universe. They help scientists and engineers build cars, airplanes, satellites, and space exploration vehicles. Every time you walk, run, throw a ball, or jump, you are personally experiencing Newton's laws in real life. Science isn't just inside textbooks. Science is happening everywhere around you. Thank you for watching.